Front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO smartphone. First of all, you need to open Settings. In them, click on Personalizations over here and tap on Font and Display Size. Now you can click on one of those font styles and save the chosen one by tapping on Apply. As you can see after that, when I go back, style of mine has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!